I'm Denise Rinehart, and this is the International Institute of Very, Very Serious Studies. This is a very, very serious school, so I'm here to engage with some serious work.
Okay, stop swaying.
Giving these artists, teachers, performers as many tools as I can to work with larger groups, to work with the community, specifically very creative tools that can take hold of people's imaginations in a physical way, in a way that doesn't require a lot of props and grabs hold of the imagination of people. In my module, we're starting with the neutral mask, which is the most serious thing you can imagine, where we're looking to identify all our idiosyncrasies in life. And then we're moving into other different styles of mask, expressive mask, larval masks, which are just the beginning of characters, and onto a storytelling technique that allows large groups to share their thoughts and ideas on stage.